Patrick Feaster, a police officer of 5 years, was in pursuit of a DUI suspect when the vehicle crashed. As you'll see in the video, once Feaster stepped out of his car, he immediately withdrew his weapon from his holster and shot Andrew Thomas in the neck. The Paradise police officer, who investigators say accidentally shot a suspected DUI driver in the neck last month, will not face criminal charges, Butte County District Attorney Mike Ramsey announced Thursday. Ramsey said the evidence in this case shows the shooting to be accidental, and possibly negligent, but not criminally so. This shooting is not justified, but also not criminal. Paradise police officer Patrick Feaster, a 5-year veteran of the department, was parked on the Skyway around midnight Thanksgiving morning, when he saw a Toyota 4Runner speeding out of the Cantina Bar parking lot without headlights on. Feaster followed in his patrol car, as the Toyota ran a red light and turned onto Pearson Road, where the driver, 26-year-old Andrew Thomas, struck the median and flipped, ejecting his 23-year-old wife Darian Ahorn from the vehicle. Ahorn was killed in the crash. Ramsey said Feaster drew his gun when Thomas popped out of the car, believing he would flee. As Officer Feaster moved towards Thomas, the gun discharged and struck Thomas in the neck. The shot hit Thomas in the C7 and T1 vertebrae and could lead to him being paralyzed for life. When backup arrived on the scene, Feaster did not mention anything about having fired his weapon. According to Ramsey, Feaster notified his commanding officer about the discharge only after Thomas's gunshot wound was found. As the commanding officer suggested an investigator return to Cantina and try to find out if Thomas had been shot at the bar, Feaster revealed that he may have shot Thomas. Ramsey said nearly 11 minutes passed before any other officers, medics or firefighters learned Thomas had been shot. Someone tell me, in what other profession can you mess up so badly and not only continue to get paid but not face legal recourse for your actions? Feaster shot a man for no reason and he's not even going to have to face a judge over it. This is just another example of the double standards police have when investigating, charging and arresting their own. It doesn't matter if the shooting was an accident or not. Feaster should have been immediately removed from his job. He should have been detained for questioning and taken before a judge. Furthermore, the prosecutor is saying that Feaster was startled when the driver started to climb out of the car. This is absurd. They must have watched a different video. What we see is a police officer continue to take steps towards the car, while Andrew simultaneously climbed out of the top, when Feaster deliberately withdrew his weapon, fired one shot and holstered it without missing a step. To say this is an accident is an insult to anyone with eyes. This is absolutely disgusting, and it's why people are losing faith in the police. It just goes to show you that whenever police get involved in something, the situation almost invariably escalates unnecessarily and the outcome worsens. Remember, the only real goal and purpose of police is to make money for the state. Your protection is not one of their priorities. They only serve the law, not the people.